Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying what you actually need. Open Device Manager and note the exact Nvidia GPU name. That determines the correct driver. Once done, verify your Windows 10 build-in settings so you choose a compatible package. Make sure you have administrator rights and pause antivirus to avoid installer interruption. This speeds the process. You're setting prerequisites, not wasting time on backstory, so gather the model, OS build, and permissions now before moving to the download step. Next, you choose and download the proper Nvidia driver. Pick the exact product series, model, and Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit as required. Mismatches cause failures. Decide game ready for gaming or studio for creative apps because each is optimized differently. Once you choose, download the full driver package rather than a small updater. That reduces issues. Make sure the file size matches the listed download size and note any checksum shown so you can verify integrity if the installer later complains. Run the downloaded installer as administrator and follow prompts. Choose custom and check clean install when replacing older drivers to remove conflicts. After installation completes, reboot your PC so kernel-level changes take effect. Once restarted, confirm success by opening Device Manager and the Nvidia control panel to verify driver version and functionality. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot to safe mode. Run display driver uninstaller to remove remnants, then reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.